Abu Pakir Jainulabdin Abul Kalam was an aerospace, educationist, writer and a good politician. He also served as 11th President of India. He is also known as Missile Man of India and People President. He was born and raised in Tamil Nadu and spent many years of his life serving as a scientist. He was so generous, caring and loving in nature. He had written many books such as Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds. These books give us inspirations and motivations. His words remain relevant and inspiring even these days. Here are some best quotes of Kalam sir of all time. Excellence happens not by accident. It is a process. You are born with wings. Don't crawl, learn to use them to fly and fly. Love and relationship goes everywhere whether it is invited or not invited, but it stays only there, where it is respected and well treated. Old friends are gold, new friends are diamonds. If you get diamonds, do not forget gold. Dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts results in action. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs. But truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. If you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are doing business, not kindness. Truth is like surgery. It hurts but cures. Lie is like painkiller. It gives instant relief but have side effects forever. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. When you see someone without a smile, give them yours. It may be the only one they get that day. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world because even your own shadow leaves you in the darkness. Never hate your haters, but respect them because they are the ones that think that you are better than them. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help, because beauty is required in the heart, not in face. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that had passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment of your life. Umbrella can't stop the rain but can make us strand in rain. Confidence may not bring success but gives us power to face any challenge in life. When someone does something wrong, don't forget all the things they did right. Cheating on a good person is like throwing away a diamond and picking up a rock. Ego is just a small 3-letter word which can destroy a big 12-letter word called relationship. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Thinking should become your capital assets, no matter whatever ups and downs you comes across in your life. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. In life, no one will remember how you looked, walked, talked, what you did. Everyone just remember you by the way you made. They feel when they were with you. There is no wine if grapes are not pressed, no perfumes if flowers are not crushed. So don't be afraid if there are pressure in your life. It will bring the best out of you. The best brain of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. All the problems are stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it does not matter. Train your mind to be calm in every situation. You can stay positive in the negative situation, you win. Winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. You can't change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. If you believe you are right, but still people criticize you, hurt you, shout at you, don't bother. Just remember that in very game, only audience makes noise, not players. Be a player, believe in yourself and do the best. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. I was willing to accept what I could not change. You should not up, and we should not allow problems to defeat us. 2 rules for a peaceful depression: in failure should never go to heart, and ego in success should never go to the brain. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.